Hey everybody, welcome back to Scratch and Surf. Happy Thursday morning, but we all know that it's Friday Eve. That's right, Friday Eve. One more day till Friday. Friday strolls into our weekend. What we all look forward to at the beginning of each work week is the end of the work week. What I got going on today, I got a couple of cash explosions. Find 3 entries, get on the game show, or get a chance to get on the game show. I really would like to get on that game show and get buku dollaroonies, but it's a reveal 3 the same prize, and it got a 2x and a 5x on this baby. 3 entries. So let's get rolling. Ticket 5354, Mr. Krabs. All right, Mr. Surf, we're going to get on the show. Yes, we are. All we got to do is find 3 entries. We're going to use this fantastic 1969 40% pure silver $50 that we got from the MN Treasure Hunter up in Minnesota. That's the state where the adult beverages of the pop world get their babies. They get their mini sodas. But All right, here we go. $100. $10. $4. $500. $2. Entry $5,000. 100. Okay, look at that. 100 be 100, baby, be 100, but we know it's not. $50. Ow! Double got that sucker. All right, ticket 54. 54. Here we go. 5,000. $5. $10. Entryola. Hey, this might be an entry ticket. This could very well be an entry ticket. Which one do we want to do? Eeny, meeny, miny, or mo? Hey, Mo! Yeah. Wise guy, huh? Oh, $10. How about Eeny? Ooh, looking good. Entry, 10, 5,000, 5,000. Oh my goodness. Are we gonna get it? Entry, ow! Ow, we got an entry to the show! Ow! Everybody like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you all at Lunch with Surf at 11.